to say hi or nothing, dog. Fucking road touring fuckers. Nah. Man, shout out to Owen2s, man. Thanks for the sub. Just making me think about that. He ended up commenting on my first motovlog, and I ended up rewatching that video, and I was taking this route, man. I was hitting that bad boy slow as hell. It's like, it's just hilarious how much progress like I've achieved so far in terms of riding. It was just so surreal to watch that. Like, man, that was me like a couple months ago, man. Like not even a lot of like time really riding. But man, this YouTube stuff is going a little slow. I'm finding it a little hard to like just I guess I don't know the right method to push out, like, I don't know, to get the videos on like the first page or whatever. Like when I did gaming, like a YouTube channel for gaming, it was much easier. Like I just knew how to put stuff right. Titles, tags, all that. I just knew how to really finesse with that stuff to get a crazy amount of views, man. I had a ton of, dude, I think I only had like 5K subs, but I would get like 500K views on video, 100K view, 200. Like, I was doing some numbers, man, but for the motovlogging stuff, or maybe the scene just isn't as big as it is for gaming, you know? Some car people like bike stuff, but really bike people like bike stuff, and that's kind of just how that is. So maybe the outreach isn't enough as far as people looking for bike content. But on Instagram, man, I'm slowly growing that one too, but it's having a better effect. I got like a little social media manager that'd be helping me with like doing stuff. A lot of stuff I just be, you know, testing out, figuring out what works well for the algorithm on there. Reaching out to a couple companies. Like I have got noticed by a couple companies. Shout out to Bike Squad. They reached out. So I'm gonna be getting some merch from them soon. I'm hoping they send that hoodie with kind of the pads in them. I need to actually buy some gear, get a jacket and stuff, get some proper gear. But yeah, they're gonna be sending them stuff. Shout out to Kaufman Exhaust for supporting the build that I'm doing on my Gixxer. And whenever I get the affiliate links or the affiliate codes or whatever to get you guys some deals, I'll just always like pin them in the comment section or something.
You want to keep doing this or go somewhere else?
I'll do it one more time. I think what I'll do, I'll start riding like more back, cause it feels super weird and I'm fucking crushing my balls. But yeah, I'll do it one more time. Cause I feel like I've slowed down, cause it's like a different, it's not uncomfortable, but I'm not used to being like that. And so when I'm like trying to lean it, it fucking just feels off as fuck. But yeah, I'll do it one more time. I'll try. Do I have a I keep wanting to slow down with my back brake. I think it's because I've been doing it. I've been doing it already for a while. I was doing the front, but I would find myself like back brake, okay, front brake instead.
Yeah. It's just gonna take practice. You know where this is now. It's right next to the school.
Yeah.
So nice next day. As long as your tires are warm, you can hit this.
What is that?
H2. Either an H2 or a CX14. They look alike. Yeah. He caught it.
If I was a little bit younger, back in my prime. What happened to y'all?
You had two people that were trying to back out, and you cut through.
Fuck them.
I remember.
That's what the bike is for.